Hi Vannessa, Abs here from Burton Chevrolet Buick GMC in Whitewater, giving you a quick little video on that 2017 GMC Acadia SLT all-wheel drive. You talk about value, this thing has it. Pearl white color, certified pre-owned, so you still have factory warranty. Tires are in great shape, brand new oil change. Look at that, great looking vehicle, standard leather. You do have your heated seats. You do have your, look at that, full leather interior, power driver's seat. Upgraded Bose stereo system. Ooh, it is chilly inside. Look at that, heated seats are on right now. You do have your Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, backup camera. Check this out, optional all-wheel drive. You want it in front-wheel drive, you can turn it and it switches to front-wheel drive. You want an all-wheel drive, you turn it back, switches right back. Look at that, you have your Bluetooth options right here. Digital gauges. See, only 60,000 miles on this. It's absolutely nothing. In the summertime, enjoy your dual skyscape sunroof. And look at this. Very, very rare option. Maximum seating all the way across. This is not something that comes up very often. And look at that, easy access to the back. So you get 2, 3, and 2 seating there. Look at these tires, are ready for winter. Anything that comes at you, this thing is ready to go. Great value. It is here for you. If you want to give me a phone call, phone number is 262-473-6060. Thank you.